Amusement park that features water play areas such as swimming pools, water slides, splash pads, water playgrounds, and lazy rivers, as well as areas for floating, bathing, swimming, and other barefoot environments. Even though I bought the ticket online, I still had to queue to get a hard copy of the ticket. Anyway, alhamdulillah, I enjoyed the experience here. I will come again in May with my other family. Buying tickets online is highly encouraged. Best and fun. Ticket can be redeemed at the counter and for the meal can redeem at the food court inside. We went there after 1 p.m. and almost all animals still awake and active. So it's fun to watch. But the cons, since we arrived late, we didn't manage to catch up the elephant aqua show. The truck available until 5 p.m. and safari close at 6 p.m. So make sure to enjoy all the show first and go for the truck as the last one. There are many new things near safari. All the shows are the best. Even the new attraction riding the safari truck is the best. The ones that are not the best are the meals that are included, not really worth the package. And also the road to get there is out of maintenance and has many holes. And you should be careful. My first vacay in Melaka. First time here too. The best. Lots of water games too. The best when you come here to play the inner tube and big cone. You have to try it. Overall 5/5 for this. The best. Play from 10 o'clock to 5 p.m. Tickets are easier to find using this app, get a lot of discounts and also points, can be redeemed for hotels and others. It was really easy to use Klook to redeem ticket at the counter. I went at off-peak weekend, the crowd is just nice for a pleasant trip. We enjoyed the truck safari, animals are well taken care, staff very friendly, animal feeding was fun, got the chance to feed the otters, it was at treetop. Kids could move around freely, many tree to provide shades. The animal shows were enjoyable, overall a nice and pleasant experience if want a closer look at animal in nature. The children are very satisfied, they really like the many activities they can do and can see the animals visually, such as tigers, lions and elephants. There are 4 types of shows that show elephants, birds and cowboys. The children really enjoy it. It's the best, 5 stars bro, 8-pointed star emoji, 8-pointed star emoji, 8-pointed star emoji, 8-pointed star emoji. 8-pointed star emoji, thumbs up 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 emoji. After this, you can repeat again. Really recommended to family. We having so much fun here. My kids love the elephant. The package come with food much more cheaper. We repeat again on to recommend to my fellow friends. Convenient to purchase, but the ticket still needs to be redeemed at the counter. IC or any other identification is required for them to check as well. The Wild West show was the best out of all. Amusing and exciting experience for me and my family. My kids are looking forward to come again. Worth every pennies, and facilities there are also provided well. I love the discount that Klook give, it makes me feels like worth to buy the tickets even more. All of my family members are enjoying the water park here. Fantastic place, you can see that the creatures well taken care and children enjoyed the wildlife. The place is so cool. Educational and informative. It is easy and convenient to purchase the tickets. Furthermore, the package with meal is great. I have a great experience. Good experience for children also an adult, you can feed the animals, you can see the animals up close but you can ride the truck, you are ready to have a show. Love the experience here, many animals here, good safari, all the animal show and the cowboy show was excellent. Recommend for family trips here and food was nice too. Big ice cream was so fun and solo rides also gives you so much adrenaline rush. So much fun. Sufficient thrilling rides and kids area got so many attractions and slides, thumbs up emoji, recommend for family trips here and food was nice too. Went there with my family and my daughter loves it. It's just need to wait for the safari truck to fill then you can hop in.